Most people don't lose their week on Wednesday. They lose it before Monday even begins. They start with no system, no structure, and no clarity. Then they spend 5 days reacting, switching, and calling it productivity. If your weeks feel like chaos, you don't need more motivation. You need a weekly operating system. Welcome to Workflow IQ. Today, I'm giving you a 5-step framework to reset, filter, and protect your time before the chaos starts. Let's build your weekly OS. The real reason weeks fall apart? Reaction mode. You open your laptop, scan emails, bounce between tabs, and let notifications decide your priorities. By 10 a.m., your attention has already been stolen. A weekly OS is a repeatable decision system. It removes ambiguity, because ambiguity creates drag, and drag kills momentum. Step 1. The weekly reset. Before planning the new week, clear the old one. Review what moved the needle and what was just noise. Use AI here. Drop in your loose notes and ask it to summarize open loops. Start from a clean surface. Step 2. Choose 3 real outcomes. Not 15 tasks. 3. Don't say, be more organized. Say, finish the landing page, or close the hiring decision. When you choose outcomes instead of activity, your week gets sharper instantly. Step 3. Filter low-value work. Run every task through one filter: delete, delegate, or do. If it adds no value, delete it. If it's repetitive, delegate it to AI. Only keep the work that requires your judgment and taste. Step 4. Use AI as a co-pilot. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed. Use AI at the start of the week to draft your structure, spot bottlenecks, and organize your sequences. High-leverage people use AI as an operating partner, not a vending machine. Step 5. Protect deep work. Don't wait for Monday to see how it goes. Block your thinking and building time early. Once the week fills up, the important work gets pushed into the corners. A weekly OS isn't just about choosing work, it's about defending it. Stop blaming your discipline. Build a better system. Once you have a weekly OS, work stops feeling random and starts moving with clarity. If you want to build smarter workflows, subscribe to Workflow IQ. In the next video, we'll break down the daily system that keeps you focused even when everything gets noisy. I'll see you there.